This elevated feeder improves your pet's digestion and helps reduce neck muscle strain. Airtight seals and snap lock latches keep dry food fresh and pests out. Includes 2 stainless steel bowls, removable for easy cleaning. Great for indoors, outdoors, camping, or traveling. Iris Medium Elevated Feeder with Airtight Storage. Black are perfect to improve your pet's digestion and help reduce neck strain. These elevated feeders incorporate convenient storage capacity under the 2 stainless steel bowls, kept dry and fresh by an airtight seal and snap-tight latches. Perfect for indoors. Top reviews from the United States. Great food dish/storage. We've had this for a year and it had been great. I appreciate that I can store food and treats to sprinkle on the food. It is so convenient. For us, the best part is that it is really easy to pack food for travel and overnight stays. You just grab the whole thing and you have a supply of food plus their food and water dish. The 2 cons which are not enough for us to care about is the medium does not fit an entire bag of food, though if it did, it would be too heavy, but if you're hoping to have this as primary storage, the medium might not work. And second, like others say, the water dish will spill and go underneath the bowl. The pros outweigh the cons by a long shot, and if something were to happen to the one we have, I would buy it again. It also has held up great over the year we've had it. Highly recommended.